Imagine writing assignments, preparing presentations, or even studying, without doing 90% of the actual work.
That's not a dream. That's AI in 2025.
Today, I'll show you 5 game-changing AI tools every smart student is secretly using.
Let's go!
Tool 1. Tome.app. First up is Tome.app, your AI presentation wizard. Just type your topic, and Tome will build a stunning animated deck in seconds. Think of it like PowerPoint with a brain. College students are using it for everything from last-minute projects to class reports. Tool 2. Notion.ai. Next, Notion.ai, the all-in-one study assistant. Summarize lecture notes, organize your tasks, or even get explanations like a private tutor. One prompt and your workload is 10x lighter. Tool 3. QuillBot. Need to paraphrase without getting caught for plagiarism? QuillBot helps you rephrase like a pro, add citations, polish grammar, and even simplify tough topics. It's basically your writing safety net. Tool 4. Consensus.app. This one's for research junkies. Consensus.app. Ask a question, and it scans thousands of research papers to give you actual scientific-backed answers, not just opinions. Perfect for thesis work and essays. Tool 5. Gamma.app. Last but not least, Gamma.app. Create clean, interactive slide decks or websites instantly. Perfect if you want to impress teachers or make your work look next level. Recap plus CTA. Which one are you already using? Or which one blew your mind today?
Let me know in the comments.
And hey, if you want more no-nonsense tools that can literally 10x your productivity, don't forget to follow @skillspark.ai official.
New videos every week.